Okay, you guys, this is Shay with Luxbell Boutique, and I'm back with another video. Today, this wig that you see right in front of me is a client wig that I actually had custom to put blonde in her hair. This is a 12-inch wig. Just gonna do a little turn here so you can see the actual front, if I can get this to turn. Now I'm gonna clean this up just a little bit. I just sort of kind of threw it on just so I can see kind of like a color match of what it was before. It was a little lighter than that, so I'm kind of playing with the colors as far as like tinting the lace with that to kind of get it as close to the client complexion as I can. Again, just like quick little spin of how it looked. This is again Luxbell Boutique's hair. If you guys are just tuning in and haven't seen any of my videos before, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below so you guys can keep up with what is going on as far as the company. And this is from the collection of the Japanese straight hair. Again, this is 12 inches. This is the natural color that it comes in. And what I did was I went in with the color 613. And I went in and sewed in the blonde to basically create the look that my client was actually going for. You guys have any comments or questions, please feel free to DM. I'm steady just rubbing my hand through it. But yes, if you guys have any questions or comments or anything, please DM me. You can get at me on Instagram, Twitter. You can look on Facebook as well, Luxbell Boutique. If you can't find that one, then just look for Chantel Latrice on Facebook. DM me and I will get back with you with anything that you would like to talk about. Again, Luxbell Boutique is based out of Flint, Michigan, but we are able to ship to anybody in the US. And this wig right here, I'm going to talk more about it in another video. Just want to just quickly do like a little something so you guys can see actually what's been going on the last couple of days with Luxbell Boutique. Until next time, you guys, be safe and